Good morning, Okinawa. How are you today? This is Jun from Okinawa Wanderer, and today is the Japanese national holiday. It's a national foundation day in Japan. Yeah, that's why today is a holiday, but I will take you to the just short live casting tour around Shuri Castle. Okay, let's go. Very nice view, eh? Also today, just I'm doing no cameraman. I'm doing camera and then talking, eh? Because of national holiday. Okay, let's enjoy. I'm at here, the Yamagawa in Shuri. Okay, so nice view over there. And that is Shuri High School, very traditional high school. Okay. Yamagawa crossing. And that side, like Towaru Gibo, is also interesting place, but I will show you around Shuri Castle today.今日も暑い。今日は暑いだね。Today very hot and really long time no have a sunshine in Okinawa. This is a Makabe Dunchi, ne? Makabe Dunchi. This is a kind of Noro. Noro is like なんだったかな、ピーストリスかな、 like shaman in Okinawa, female ね。桜が綺麗でしょ。これが首里流泉、 the kind of dyeing, traditional dyeing shop, factory. That is Ryusen, Shuri Ryusen. And this it says Chuzanmon. There's another gate standing here. It's called Chuzanmon. It looks like Shureimon, Shurei Gate. Very similar shaped gate, big gate was standing here. Chuzanmon, Chuzan Gate. And this is Shuri High School. Shuri High School, the Baba, very old Baba. See, really nice. I have a jacket, but it's too hot. And there are many this kind of information sign standing around the Shuri Castle. Shuri High School, that is called, used to call Ichu. It's the first high school, first school. 一中。That means the most oldest school in Okinawa. Most oldest high school, junior high school. And this is Ankokuji, Ankoku Shrine. We can see a little bit. このなんつったっけ、金剛歴史。なんか木魚も聞こえるね。See? This is the Angkok Temple. 安国寺。ここにも。And there's a bell, huge bell over this gate. And dragon ね、ドラゴンもいるでしょ。どうもおはようございます。もう息が切れてるけど、今日はですね、建国記念日ということで休みですけど、こんなに天気がいいんでね、ちょっと首里界隈を歩いてみたいと思います。今すでにはね、首里龍泉と首里、これ、首里ハイスクールで、安国寺、今から玉うどんとか、外からだけどね、玉うどんとか龍丹とか見ながらちょっと歩いてみたいと思います。And Angkok Temple, if you are the ear of bird ね、鳥年の人は going to 安国寺、better to go to Angkok Temple。鳥年の人は安国寺に。ここもベリーナイスね。So again today I had to read a message with walking, so please understand. This is the Tama Udon. ね、This is a 国宝ですよ。国宝 National Treasure. This is a mausoleum for the kings of Ryukyu, especially the second Shou dynasty. I mean only the second Shou dynasty. Here, I already took the video before inside of the mausoleum, so I will show you later. Not today. It's very nice, very cool mausoleum. The tomb, royal tomb. We can see that a little bit. See? It's very nice. こっちからも見えるかな。ここね、玉うどんといって、有料なんでね、でも国宝ですよ、国宝。第二彰子のね、王様たちが祀られている、国廟っていうんですかね。陵墓っていうんですかね。でこの